girl, welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be starting off with this Nair shower power. I like to use this about 7 days in between, so like once a week, 7 to 10 days in between, to get the hair off of my arms. I like using this product because it leaves my arms smooth and soft. This Nair is for sensitive skin and it does have oil in it to help with moisture and dryness, but I still have sensitive skin, so it does kind of irritate my skin. But I do like to use it for hair removal of my arms. You guys will end up seeing a little bit later in this video, the Nair did kind of irritate the back of my hands because the back of my hands were already dried out from the weather. We are transitioning into the fall season, so anytime we transition seasons, my skin goes through a withdrawal or something like that. So I will be showing you guys the back of my hands were literally burning. So I do like to take a warm cloth to remove this Nair. And I didn't mention, but I do like to let the Nair sit on for about 8 to 10 minutes. As you guys can see, the back of my hands are a little bit red. And I probably shouldn't have done the Nair, to be honest, on this day. So moving to the next step, this is an African net exfoliating towel. I'm going to pair that with their Tropic Glow Firm and Tone Shower Gel. This shower gel smells amazing, and it also has little like sparkly little things in them. The benefits of an African net that I would encourage you guys to get is, one, it's a daily exfoliant that you can use every day. It gets those hard to reach areas. As you can see, I'm able to get all of my back. It doesn't hold bacteria the same way a washcloth or a loofah would hold. I would like to get more of these African nets because they are literally my favorite things to use when showering. I do like to double cleanse. I didn't double cleanse in this video, but typically I do like to double cleanse with a shower oil, cleansing oil, or even just a double soap. So going in, I'm going to be using the PhD Boric Acid Foam Wash for my homegirl down there. I am not going to be showing you guys how to wash her, but if you are looking for a new feminine wash, I do really like this one. So we are going to be using their exfoliator from the same line. Once again, it smells amazing. I like to turn the water off and really give my body a nice scrub and just make sure I'm tending to all areas of my body without worrying about the water turning cold because it's left on. Plus, I feel like you can get a better scrub when the water is off. Make sure y'all are getting into those toes, y'all. We do not need crusty, dusty feet out here, okay? So while the scrub is on, I do like to use this. This is considered a dry brush. So a lot of people use this brush actually prior to getting in the shower, but that is very harsh on my body. So I just like to use this while I'm actually in the shower, and I like to go in with some of my body wash just to give it some more suds, and the warm water also helps soften the bristles a little bit more. So it makes it a little bit more gentle, but not gonna lie, it's still kind of rough, but I personally do not mind, you know, feeling a nice scrub from my exfoliants. Like I said, we're gonna get head to toe, guys. Get your feet and all in between your toes. So I do like to use a Pumpas. I actually got this from the nail shop. They gifted it to me. They were so sweet. But yeah, while the scrub and the shower gel are still on my body, I'm just gonna go in with this Pumpas and scrub my feet even more. You guys, feet care is very important. We cannot neglect our feet, especially if you like getting your toes sucked on, okay? Mom, if you are watching this video, ignore that I just said that. So next, I like to go in and shave. I am going to be using my Venus razor. It is a 5-blade razor for sensitive skin, and I'm going to be using their shower oil. This shower oil is so supple and smooth. The shower oil helps with smooth shaving and razor bumps, so it helps with getting a close shave to the skin without causing any razor bumps or nicks. I've never used a shaving oil, but I really enjoyed using this shaving oil, and I don't think I'm gonna go back. I was originally using just my body wash, but I really enjoyed using this shaving oil. So next, after rinsing off, we're gonna go in with a in-shower body lotion from Nivea. It's pretty much a conditioner for your body before you get out, so it helps lock in your moisture and all the good things you've done throughout your shower routine prior to getting out of the shower. Look how soft and supple my body is looking, girl. Yes. Make sure you dry it off real good. Well, to be honest, I kind of leave my body a little damp just so that the next products kind of get into my body. So we're going to go in with the vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serum. Vitamin C is going to help with any dark marks, and hyaluronic acid is going to help with hydration. We're going to be using their whipped shea body butter for hydrating our skin. And this is one of my favorite oils to use. It is the Equate Body Oil Gel. I felt like the scent of this gel with this lotion paired up very well together, and it always leaves my body very hydrating and soft. So we are going to be using their Tropic Glow Fragrance Shimmering Mist. I was using this to add a little bit more shine and shimmer, but to be completely honest, you guys, I didn't really see much of a difference using this. I've used other products that have like shimmer in it and it actually leaves a shimmer. I really didn't see much of a difference using this, so if I'm just going to be completely honest, I wouldn't waste your money on that. So next we're going to be using the Mega Babe Detoxifying Clarifying Armpit Mask. This is a staple, you guys. If you are a girly who likes to wear aluminum free deodorant, this is something you need in your shower care routine. I use this about 3 to 4 times a week, and it truly just helps detoxifying my armpits. So we are going to be using the Sandalwood Orange Scented Dove Men's Deodorant. But yeah, you guys, this concludes my shower routine using the Tree Hut Tropic Glow. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.